Guys, can you hear me? Am I audible? Okay. See, guys, you can go through the meanings of these prefixes or root words or suffixes. Okay, till remaining join here, you can read these. So through chatting, you can ask any questions here regarding yesterday's class or your doubts regarding your career. In first 2-3 minutes, you can ask through chatting. So you can type here your questions here in chatting. Recently, I have seen that word power made easy by Norman Lewis, which we have recommended. Okay, that is available in the PDF form online, free of cost only. You can download. Even Manhattan's GRE vocabulary is also available in the PDF form. Manhattan's GRE, the best book for vocabulary for GRE is Manhattan's Review for GRE. Okay, it is available online. You can download. Even most of the guys are asking regarding IELTS material. This IELTS material also is available. You can type here Cambridge here IELTS. Okay, book 9, book 10, book 11, 12, 13 like that. Cambridge IELTS. Okay, Cambridge IELTS book 11, book 12, 13, 14. Okay, these are available online. Okay, their PDFs are available. You can download free of cost only. And even from that book for listening section in YouTube also you can type here Cambridge IELTS listening module book 11, book 12 like that. Okay, you can type. So you can get the audio clearly and while going through the text here. Okay. from that material, you can go through the questions here. While going through the questions, you can listen to the audio and you can attempt those questions. It is easy. So those are available free of cost only. IELTS, Cambridge, IELTS, okay, book 11, 12, 13, 14, like that. Okay. You download it. For any audio, you can download from YouTube also, free of cost. Okay. Any other doubts, guys? Okay, shall we start now? Right. See, okay, let us complete this first week's okay topic under vocabulary. See, ego means self or I. All of you guys here. Okay. All of you guys here, just okay. Go through this one again. Okay. You read here 2, 3. Again, go back. Again, read for the second time. Ego, self, I, alter, other. Ego, self, I, alter, other. Intro, inside. Extro, outside. Word to turn. Intro, inside. Extro, outside. Word to turn. Ambi, both. Missing, hate. Anthropos, mankind. Gyne, women. Missing, hate. Anthropos, mankind. Gyne, women. Just okay. Try to remember the meaning of these prefixes or suffixes. Okay. Gyne means women. Okay. Gynecology. Remember that one. Gamos. Ascetic means monk. You know, Buddhist monks, they lead pure and pious life. Okay. Lonely. Okay. Pure and pious. Ascetis. English spelling is here ASCTIC. Ascetic. That is monk. Centrum means center. Okay. Mania, madness. Mania means madness. Dexter. Dexter means right hand or skill. Okay. Dexterous means skillful. Sinister is okay. Sin, you remember sin. We do all sins with the left hand only. So sinister is here. Left hand or evil, threatening, bad, like that. Gauche. Gauche means awkward. Left hand or awkward. Okay, unhygienic. Again, droit. Droit means right hand. That is skill. Cleverliness. Monos, one. By, two, you know. Polis, many. Andros, male. Gyne, female. Here gyne, female. Okay, here andros, male. Ist means person who. Y means practice or custom. OUS suffix means adjective suffix. ITY means quality or condition. You see. Now, guys, here how you can remember the meanings easily. Let us do some okay exercises, and after that here whether you remember the meanings easily or not, let us check it. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, okay, right here. First read left hand side, then read right hand side, then go for matching. Ambidextrous, dexterous, sinister, gauche, misanthropic. Ambi means both. Dexterous here, you see. Read these 5, which is the answer? Yeah, E, capable of using both hands with equal skill. Dexterous, guys, dexterous. Dexterous, see, skillful. Dexterous means skillful. Ambidextrous means skillful, okay, in both hands. E. First one is E, second one is C. Sinister, sin, okay, you know. That is, what is the answer? Sinister, evil, threatening. A, very good. Gauche. Gauche means Okay, awkward. Very good. Misanthropic here. Mis means hate. Anthrop means mankind. Okay, ik means adjective. Misanthropic means hating mankind. Okay, like this here. Simple only here. How could we attempt here? Just okay, ambi or misanthropic, sin, dexterous here. Dexter means right hand or skill. Dexterous means skillful. Sinister means left hand or evil, threatening, right. Next one. See guys here. Anthropology, gynecology, monogamy, bigamy, misogyny. Guys, first see system of only one marriage. A. Okay, that is what is that? Hatred of women, illegal plurality, study of human development, study of female ailments. Now anthropology, first one. Answer it. Guys, anthropology. What is that here? D. Answer is D. Very good. Okay. Anthropologist means student. Otherwise, study on. Logi means study. Logist means the person. Okay, who studies. Gynecology. Okay. What is the answer here? E. Gynecology. Very good. Monogamy. Mono means single. Okay. Gamy means marriage. Y means system or practice. Monogamy. System of only one marriage. Yeah, very good. Bigamy. Illegal plurality of marriages. C. Misogyny. Miso means hate. Gyne means female. Hatred of women. B. Okay, guys, hatred of women. Very good. So now here, see. Now, polygamy, misogamy, asceticism, philanthropy, adroitness, devotion to a lonely and skill, cleverness, custom in which man has many wives, love of mankind, hatred of marriage. Polygamy. Poly. C answer. Okay. Custom, okay, in which man has many wives. Okay, right. Misogamy. Miso means hate. Gamy means marriage. Misogamy. Second one. What is that? Answer is E. E. Answer is E. Very good. Asceticism. Ascetic means monk, I said, Buddhist monk. What is this here? It is related to A. What do they do, Buddhist monks here? Okay, they devote themselves to a lonely and pure life. Austere means pure. Philanthropy. Phil means love. Anthrop. What is that here? Love of mankind. Love of mankind. Very good. Adroitness. Skill or cleverness. See guys here how you are doing here. Okay, just with the help of the prefixes, suffixes, root words. Okay, you can recollect. At least you can guess it here instead of by hearting. Okay. Now, ist means persons only. Ist. Polygynist. Poly means many. Gyne, female. Okay, ist means person. Poly means here, okay, many. Andro means male. Ist means person. Anthropologist, gynecologist, philanthropist. Yeah, read these here. Okay. Now, polygynist. Okay. You see here. Some said, first one only I am asking here. Polygynist. Polygynist. Poly means many. Gyne means female. Ist means person. Person who has many females, many women. Many wives here. C is the answer. C is the answer. Right, guys? Here, okay. C is the answer. Yeah. Let me tell you, Karim here. Ist means person. Ist means person. Poly means many. Gyne means women. Many women. Person with many women means male with many women means wives. Okay, there is no other one you see. Polygyny means many women. Person with many women means male with plurality of okay wives. Is it okay? Karim, could you? And you see here, second one, polyandrist. Poly means many, andro means male, means men only. Ist means person. Person with many men. Okay, person with many men means female with a plurality of husbands. Okay. Yes, that is okay. Polyandrist. Right. Okay, Lokesh. C. Okay, for which one you said here? A third one. Okay, student of the development of mankind. Third one. Fourth one, women's doctor. Fifth one, Phil means love. Okay. Anthrop means mankind. Ist means person. Person who loves mankind. Who loves mankind generally engages in charitable work. Okay. So like this, you have to guess. Any other doubt? Okay. Right here. Only you got confused here only. Polygynist, polyandrist. Okay, polygyny. Gyny means women. Poly means many. Many women means many wives. Ist means person. Person with many wives. That is C. Here, person. Andre means male. Person with many males means many men. Okay, that is plurality of husbands. Right? Next. So same exercise, let us see here. Now some questions will be asked in this form also. Can ambidextrous people use either the left or right hand equally well? Ambidextrous, can they use left or right equally well? Yes only. Very good. Should a surgeon be manually dexterous? Dexterous means skillful. Yes only. Right? Is a sinister. Sinister means evil, threatening. Looking person, frightening. Is a sinister looking person frightening? Yes only. Okay. No. Why no? Tejaswini. Why no? Sinister means evil, threatening. So evil person, okay, bad person will be frightening only. Okay. Right. Is gaucherie a social asset? Gaucherie means awkwardness, unhygienic. So is it a social asset? No. Okay. No here. Right. Okay. Is an adroit speaker likely to be a successful liar? Adroit speaker means skillful. Okay. Clever or skillful speaker likely to be a successful liar? Yes. Yes. Yes only. No. Okay. Right. Next. Is a student of anthropology interested in primitive tribes? Anthropology. Student of anthropology interested in primitive tribes? Yes only. No. Why no? So this one here, Mullapudi, why no? Primitive tribes. Okay, anthropology deals with the study of mankind, different races, how they, okay, their origin has started here in the old Stone Age, next age here. Okay. So he is interested in primitive tribes only. Does a gynecologist have more male than female patients? No. Right? Next. Is monogamy the custom in Western countries? In monogamy, the custom in Western countries. Guys, all of you are wrong here. In Western countries only, monogamy is compulsory. Mono means single marriage. At a time, they can't have two marriages. After giving divorce only, they can go to another marriage officially. So that's why in Western countries, it is strictly followed. Monogamy, yes only. Yeah, Western countries means, okay, America, England, and those European countries, Western countries. Okay, ESA, like that. Okay, so unless they give divorce to the first wife, they can't go for second wife. But unfortunately, in Asian countries, in our countries, okay, this polygamy is also the custom. Okay, like in India and in some Asian countries, polygamy is also there. Okay, in our India and some Asian countries. Okay, right. Next one. Is a mesogamist likely to show tendencies towards polygamy? You have to understand, mesogamist likely to show tendencies towards polygamy? No, very good. Mesogamist means he hates marriage. One who hates marriage, do they go for many marriages? No. Is a bigamist breaking the law? Bigamist means two marriages at a time. Breaking the law? Yes. Yes only. Bigamist is breaking the law. It is illegal. Okay. Is a philanthropist generally altruistic? All true means all should be well. Generally here, yes only. Altruistic means, okay, he wishes all should be well. True only. Okay, right. Next one. Does a misanthropist enjoy human relationships? Misanthropist. Mis means hate. Person who hates mankind enjoy human relationships? No. Okay. Who said yes? Okay. Yeah. Next. Does a misogynist person who hates females, women, enjoy female companionship? No. Right? So, are unmarried people necessarily mesogamous? Unmarried people, do they necessarily mesogamous? Hated of marriage? No. Are bachelors necessary misogynous? Meso means hate, gynous means female. Do they hate females or all bachelors? No. Is asceticism compatible with luxurious living and the pursuit of pleasure? No. Is it clear? Right? Next one. Does polyandrist have more than one husband? Polyandrist. Poly means many. Andro means men. Do they have more than one husband? Yes. Right. Now, so we have done all these exercises, and let us check here whether we remember those words or not. Philosophy of living austerely. Philosophy of living austerely. Can you guess what is that? Asceticism. 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 Okay, that is here. Next, hatred of women, misogyny. If it is practice here, misogyny. If it is adjective, misogynous. 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 Practice is gynae. If it is noun, okay, misogyny. If it is a person, misogynist, Lokesh. If it is a person, ist. If it is a practice noun, gynae. Okay. If it is adjective, gynous. It hatred of women is, it is a noun only. Okay. So misogyny. Hatred of marriage, misogamy. Hatred of marriage, misogamy. Right? Mamata. Don't say ist. Ist means person. Ist means person. Okay. If it is only noun here, practice or custom like that, gamy. If it is a person, ist, you keep ist. Okay. If it is related to this one, misogynous, that is adjective. OES is the adjective, but here it is noun. Okay. Misogamy, hatred of mankind, misanthropy, hatred of mankind, misanthropy. Okay. Misogyny, misanthropy. Skillful means dexterous. Skillful means dexterous. Okay. Awkward. Okay. D, it is beginning with the D means dexterous. Awkward means gauche. Evil threatening, sinister. Guys, evil threatening, sinister. Very good. Describing hatred of men. Describing hatred of men. Okay. Misogynous. Skill, adroitness. Pertaining to hatred of marriage. This is adjective. So you can keep OUS last. Okay, mesogamous. 10th one, mesogamous. Guys, remember, 10th one, pertaining to or related to. So it means it is adjective. So you must go for adding OUS adjective suffix, mesogamous. Okay. Next, 11th, pertaining to hatred of mankind. Misanthropic. Okay, equal. Remember, equal, OUS, FUL. These are adjective suffixes. All guys remember. Okay, equal, OUS, OUS, FUL. These are adjective suffixes. Okay, these are adjective suffixes. So misanthropic. Social custom of plural marriage. Custom means suffix will be Y only. Last Y. Okay, what is that? Polygamy. Okay, polygamy. Right. Next, unlawful state of having more than one spouse. Bigamy. Okay. Doctors specializing in female disorders, gynecologists. Custom of one marriage at a time, monogamy. Right? One who hates the human race. Person means ist, na? Okay. This one, 16th one. Guys, answer 16th one. One who hates human race. Misanthropist. Misanthropist. Able to use both hands with equal skill. Begins with A. Able to ambidextrous. Very good. Very good. Study of mankind. Study means logi. Study means logi. Study of mankind. Anthropology. Anthropology. That's it. Okay, right. Very good. One who loves mankind. One who loves mankind. Philanthropy. Philanthropist. 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 One who loves mankind. Very good. Skill in the use of both hands. Okay. Ambidextrous. Okay. Right. So here now you can you recognize the roots here now? Ego means, okay, first one here, type the meaning here. Ego means self, I. Alter, alter. Guys, alter. Other. Not turn. Alter means other. Okay. Not choice here. Alter means turn. No. Alter means other only, not turn. Not turn. Okay. Alter means other. Verto means turn. Third answer is turn here. Guys, third answer is turn. Fourth answer, I all will remember. What is that? Fourth answer, anthropos. Mankind. Very good. Machine. Guys, machine. Hate. Okay, very good. Gyne. All know, female. Okay, gammas. Marriage here. Seventh one, marriage here. Gammas, marriage. Okay, right. Okay, no problem. And centrum. Guys here, centrum. Eighth one. Center, very good. Dexter. Ninth one, guys, ninth one. Dexter. Okay. Not both here. Ambi means both man. Copula, who is that? Okay. Anil. You are wrong here. Writes with both hand is also wrong here. Sai, you are wrong. Anil, you are wrong here. Dexter means right hand or skill. Dexter means right hand or skill. Right also. Right hand, clever or skill. Right. Monos one. Andros. Okay, andros means male. Okay, you see. Now, okay, you can recollect. Now let me tell you the truth here. Arna, what are you doing here? Any problem with your system? Hello. Arna, any problem with your system? Are you here only? Okay. Any problem with your system? Okay. Type it. Okay. Guys, all of you, okay. No, you can lower your hand. No problem. Guys, I will call your numbers in the middle. Just be attentive. Okay. Now, what did I do here? Okay. Have you observed here? First, we practiced this. Okay. Okay. We read these meanings 2 times. And then we did some exercises based on those words. right? And these exercises, okay, in different forms, these are repeated, revised. Okay, almost three, okay, these are revised 2-3 times in different ways. Is it clear? Okay, having the same, okay, prefixes or suffixes or root words in different ways, these are repeated in the exercises. Now, finally, you could answer all these questions here. What is the reason here? Let me tell you, especially for the people who are very serious regarding the competitive examinations or for jobs, private jobs or government jobs. Okay. Guys, you remember, we are human beings and we are not extraordinary. Okay, some of you may be extraordinary, but most of us are just okay, common human beings, normal human beings. Is it clear? Right? And according to psychologists, any person, yeah, who reads or listens or okay, or sees something here like that, whatever he learns here, he will forget here 70% of the matter within 24 hours. Okay, when you read a textbook, when you understand it here, then it takes a print here, okay, in your brain. Is it clear? As here some information is stored on the chips, even in the brain also there are so many layers. So whatever information we receive and we understand, after understanding only it takes a clear print. Is it clear? But it will be erased here up to 70% within 24 hours. Okay. For example, you listen to a class or you read a book here today, you understand it. Okay. The next day, if you are asked to recollect those points, you will remember only 30% of it. Means if I teach 10 points, hardly you may remember here 3-4 points. Why? We forget the things. It is very common. It is not my opinion. It is a psychologist's opinion. It is already proved by them. Why this happens here? Why this happens? Because in the first hour, okay, for example, okay, we are going to college. In the first hour, we listen to one subject and we understand. Okay, it takes a print, okay, on our brain. Okay, and in the second hour, another subject here, we come across another subject that takes a print over the next layer. And third hour here, we come across another subject here, we listen to different subject, and that will take a print here over the next layer. Like that here, within 24 hours, we come across various events, various subjects, okay, in the form of listening or reading or okay, watching or whatever it may be, we come across various subjects. All they take a print here over different layers of our brain. And what happens to the bottom layer information, bottom layer matter? The first hour subject matter goes to the bottom and it will be suppressed here with the matter of upper layers. So that what happens here? See here, the bottom layer matter, when it is suppressed here, okay, by the upper layers, the print okay becomes faded out. Is it clear? If the print fades out, okay, what happens here? 70% of the print fades out. Means the print becomes very dull. Within 24 hours, 70% of the print becomes dull. When the print is very dull, okay, when we try to recollect, for example, when the print is dull, when you keep it okay in Xerox here, can you get the clear print? No. In the same way, from our brain also, we can't get the clear print out. This happens within 24 hours. Guys, are you listening? Hello, guys, are you listening? Just, yeah. So, shall I ask you here? Rajkumar, okay, are you listening? Adilakshmi, Harita, Chiranjeevi, okay, Amruta, Anusha Reddy, Aparna, G, Arun Kumar. Just raise your hands. These four, 5 members, raise your hands. So, yeah, only 4 members have raised it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, right. You can lower your hand now. Now you can lower your hand. No problem. So, right here. See, guys, here. I don't know whether you are listening or not here, but it is very important for you for preparing for competitive exams. So, what did I say? Within 24 hours, we forget 70% of the matter. Okay, and within 1 week, we forget 80 to 85%, and within 1 month, almost 90-95% matter will disappear. Means 90-95% of the matter becomes okay, very dull. Okay, the matter will be erased. When it is erased, okay, the print will be very dull, poor, very poor. And after 1 month, if you try to open the book and again start reading, okay, we feel difficult. We get some, okay, slight, okay, just a picture, a dim picture. Yeah, sir has said something like this. Okay, we try to recollect, okay, but it will be very dull. Okay, very dim in our memory. Is it clear? So this is happening in most of the cases of okay, students here, present day students. Okay, especially in your subjects. Okay, let me tell you in your subjects. Okay, what are you doing? Okay, even we did the same when we were okay in the college. That is common for students. Okay, before exams only we open our textbooks. We never revise the lectures. Okay, what we listen here in our class, we never read the textbooks immediately after listening the class within 24 hours. Is it clear? Just after 1 month or 3-4 months, we get term exams, okay, mid exams or final exams, and we go for 1 day batting or 2 day batting. That's it. Okay, so then, okay, that 1 day batting or 2 days batting helps for only examination purpose. Is it clear? And you can remember it for only few days. So what should we do here to get the, okay, command over the subject? Okay, within 24 hours, we have to make one revision, right? As I said, within 24 hours, 70% of the print becomes dull. When the print becomes dull, just you make a revision within 24 hours, so that, okay, what happens? You are rewriting here, okay, on that print, and the print becomes thick. When the print becomes thick here, it lasts for 1 week or 1 month. Again, make a second revision within 1 week. Okay, within 1 week, again it is going to become dull print, and make a second revision. Okay, it will, okay, with 2 revisions, we can remember it for 1 month. Again, make a third revision. So during the revision, what are you doing here? You are rewriting here the matter, okay, in your brain. Is it clear? So that it is the print is becoming thick here. Okay, if the print becomes thick here, it lasts okay, for 1 year, or if the print is more thick here on your brain, it may last for 2-3 months, or even 1 year, 2 years also. Okay, some guys may ask me, sir, okay, we can remember if, okay, if a certain topic is to be compared to that faculty set, then only it is difficult. Why compared here? Topic is compared to the faculty said. Okay, then only it is difficult. Yes, yes. What is happening? I could understand your question. Faculty is saying something. In textbook, it will be different. Okay, that you are saying, Karim? Say yes or no? Okay. In that case, what happens here? You have to confirm what is genuine, what is here not genuine. You have to go with some standardized books. Standardized means here not written by individual authors. Okay, if it is a book written by group of authors and approved by university, is it clear? Or any academy, so then only you consider it as a standardized book. Okay, so especially books are written by group of people and edited here thoroughly by professors who are doctorates, you can take it for granted. Is it clear? And here at this juncture, what you have to do is, while listening to the lecture, you have to prepare some notes. And in the lecture, definitely no lecturer covers the entire all points from the textbook, especially engineering colleges. What do? They give overall picture. When they will give some concepts on it. Okay, then you have to note down those points. Then when you read the textbook here, after going home, you can get some more points, and you add those remaining points to this already written notes here, in the classroom. Okay, don't prepare a separate notes from textbook. You add those points which you missed in the class while listening. That's it. Okay. This is actually here a good thing. And one more, let me tell you. Don't write your notes here in the form of sentences. Don't write your notes in the form of paragraphs. Is it clear? If you write your notes in the form of sentences or paragraphs, to revise it again, it takes a lot of time. Okay, you should write only points, the words or phrases or some bullet points, not in the form of sentences. It may be like a tree diagram, or some flow chart, some table, or some as the lecturer writes on the board here, important points. You write in the same way. Don't write the sentences. Okay. Even short notes also. Yeah. Don't write the sentences. Don't write the sentences. Only just important points, words, phrases like that. Okay. And after going home also, from textbook also, you have to do the same. Okay. While reading the textbook here, from each paragraph, pick up those points and add those points here to the already written notes in the class. Then here you will get a complete command over the subject, over that particular topic, because it is written by you. Okay, means you get the clarity of the points. Once you get the clarity of the points, and you get a clear picture of the subject. Once you get the clear picture, is it clear? You get command over it. Okay, you get confidence. Oh, so if a topic is asked on this, question is asked on this topic, I can provide these many points. Is it clear? Right? After doing like this, revise it within 24 hours. So when you write only points, what happens? To revise, for example, from textbook, if it is 5 pages, the 5 pages important points will be covered in 1 page only when we prepare notes. For one entire essay, points of one entire essay will be covered in half page only, important points. Is it clear? Only points here. Then 10 pages matter will be covered in maximum 1 page or 2 pages only. Important points we are covering. Like that, one textbook matter, if the textbook has 300 pages, 400 pages, within 30, 40 pages, okay, or maximum, okay, 50 pages, you can prepare the notes. That is prepared by you. You will have a clear concept. Okay, once you have a clear concept, you can revise as many times as possible. Within 24 hours, one revision. Within 1 week, one revision. Within, okay, 1 month, one revision. So if you make as many, okay, revisions as possible, okay, you have all important points with you and you remember those points. In the examination, when you go to examination, whether it is objective type examination or a subjective examination, you will be confident. Let me say here, okay, you can ask, okay, your seniors or okay, your neighbors who okay achieved first rank or second rank in GATE examination, okay, or top 500 ranks. You can ask them, how did they prepare? You can ask here civil services toppers or group toppers here, okay, and all the toppers, succeeded persons, they have a habit of preparing notes of their own. Okay, but today's generation, what are they doing here? Just depending on somebody's notes provided by coaching institutions, notes provided by teachers or lecturers, ready-made notes on. Okay, that will be useful. Okay, for that, okay, that time only for the examination purpose. Okay, for academic exams only. Okay, and you will not get command over the subject when you follow somebody's notes. Okay, somebody's notes should help you as a supplementary only. Okay, first you should have your notes, then here you can get material from other sources and you can see if there are any new points, okay, from their notes, and you can add them to your notes. Okay, you can collect from 2-3 sources also, right? And if there are some new points from their sources, add them to your notes. Okay, and yours will be the best notes, right? Okay, this should be done for preparing competitive exams, especially like GATE or IES, okay, or even okay, these for campus placements. For example, okay, quantitative aptitude. Okay, in the quantitative aptitude in the mathematics, you will have so many formulas. Okay, so when you just go with the only formula and okay, try to solve the question, it may take a lot of time. But if you remember the formula immediately and shortcuts immediately through your practice, you can solve the problem within half minutes. Okay, especially for English grammar and quantitative aptitudes. Okay, the practice is must. More practice. Even to remember the subject matter also, especially some okay important matters here. For example, CSE. Okay, for writing programs or coding, okay, something, okay, I don't know all those, but anything here, okay, you should have a clear concept. Once you have a clear concept, whatever the question comes in different ways, you can answer it easily. Okay, so see here, technique here, okay, the same technique here. This is the okay exercise. What we have done is equal to 15 pages, 15 pages of the book. From the book is here, Word Power Made Easy, okay, by Norman Lewis. 15 pages matter is completed now here, okay, in this class now. Okay, I have taken only exercises, right, and important points. Then I prepared notes like this. This is the material from that book only. 15 pages book is written like this. And okay, this is a big font and I have taken okay one column only. Actually, it is taken in 2 columns. Okay, just in 2 pages, it is completely covered. that 15 pages matter is covered in 2 pages. Okay. And one more thing, let me tell you regarding the memory. So, Bhavani, okay, okay. Sri Lakshmi, G. Sri Lakshmi, Varun, Govinda Mohan, Ani Harika. Just raise your hands. Hello. Raise your hands. I said only few names. Okay, Sri Lakshmi, raise your hand. Sri Lakshmi, raise your hand. Gopala Krishna. Gopala Krishna. Okay. Hemalata Yam Munur. Raise your hand. Hemalata absent. Okay. So just they are joining the class. Hemalata, okay, right. Next, G. Sai Kumar, raise your hand. Gurrala Sai Kumar. G. Nandini. G. Nandini. G. Nandini, okay. Right. Now you can lower your hands, no problem. Guys, here, let me tell you. You can lower your hand. You can lower your hand. Okay? You can lower. See, guys, here, I want to just, okay, only to make sure, okay, because one-way interaction, you may feel bored. That's why I'm asking whether you are alert or not. Santosh, okay, you can lower your hand. Okay. And one more thing I want to here make you clear. Through reading here, you will remember only 17 to maximum 30% of the matter through reading a book. Is it clear? When you read and write here, there is a chance of your remembering more, up to 50% or like that. Reading and writing. Okay. First you read, prepare notes, and you write it here. So listening, reading, and writing improves your memory power. So all these skills here. When you listen, sometimes some lecturers here, they may teach you effectively, and you can remember those points here. You may say something sometimes, sir, I could remember the events that happened 5 years ago, 10 years ago. Yeah, that is true. But how do you remember? Due to the speciality of that event here, the way it has it has taken a print on your brain. Something special might be there for that event, so that you could remember, that event for 10 years or forever. Okay, it depends on how it takes a print on your brain. Some lecturers may be there just by listening to their class, we can go and write the examination. Means, so it depends on how it takes a print on your brain. It depends on so many factors. Okay, your interest and the method of teaching. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, different factors may be there. But remember, through listening followed by reading and writing those points here, there is a chance of remembering more and more. Okay. And one more I want to tell you is, if you discuss that subject with somebody, or if you do it practically, so you will remember 100%. So memory, if you discuss the topic and practically do it, apply it here, you will remember forever throughout life. Is it clear? Right? So then how to prepare? When you prepare notes for yourself only, you get the command over the subject. While listening, prepare notes. Okay. And then read the text here within 24 hours of the same topic. Add those points from the textbook to your notes and revise them within 24 hours. And within 1 week, make okay, just take 10 minutes for the revision of the topic, and within 1 month take one more revision so that we can remember it forever. Okay, especially for competitive exams like UPSC, civil services, you know, general studies papers. Okay, there will be, okay, how many papers? 4, 7, almost 7, 8 papers they have to write. Every day one exam. Every day one exam. Previously, general studies papers, morning one exam, afternoon one exam. So remember, in one general studies paper, there will be 2 subjects. Okay, 2 subjects up to at least degree level. So with if they don't prepare notes for their by themselves, how can they revise those 2 subjects? Okay, within 5 hours time or 8 hours time, they have to revise 2 subjects completely, and they don't know in what way the questions are coming, because the questions in civil services will be different from the questions okay, from academic side. From academic side, okay, question will come as it is, okay, from the textbook. We can write it based on the memory. But in the competitive exams, we can't write it here. Those will be application oriented. Application oriented, it will be linked with so many other factors. Is it clear? Okay. So unless, okay, we prepare notes for ourselves, we can't succeed. Guys, I will let you know here, okay, how to read here, okay, for competitive exams, how to attempt different types of questions under reading comprehension and even grammar here. Okay, so slowly one by one, okay, I will start here, right here. Okay, guys, here have a nice time, and just only 2 minutes for your questions, for your doubts, just 2 minutes only. In chatting, so you can raise questions here. Yeah. Yeah, like short notes only. Short notes also not in the form of sentences, in the form of just a tree diagram, flow charts, okay, table or like that. Share the recorded videos with us, sir. So sorry here, already it is getting recorded. Okay, you can get it here finally from sir. Sir will provide you. All these are getting recorded. Sir will provide you. Okay. Right. Next, any doubts here? At least PPT. PPT definitely I will. Okay, I will send you. Okay, whatever okay topics I cover. Okay, I will send all those PPT, PDF, not documents only. All the documents which I cover. Okay, in our class. But okay, my request is don't share it with other friends who have not joined the class. Okay, because here you are paying. Yeah, I will send a PDF and even this Word file also. Okay, right? No problem or no? So any other whatever subject here I am covering here, that okay, that file I can share with you. Okay, and how should I share here? Do you have? I will try to keep here. Okay, any additions are like that. I will ask how to. If you have any WhatsApp group, okay, I can post it. Otherwise, okay, send it to sir. Sir will give us. Okay, right. Okay, I will provide this one. Okay. If you want immediately, okay, just you send your mail ID. Okay. Or if you make a WhatsApp call, I will add that one. Okay. Right. In the chat box. In the chat box, it is very lengthy. It is not possible. It's not good also. Chat box. Prasuna here. I don't remember okay, these here. You can send this mail ID to my WhatsApp number. I have given you 988504591. Okay. I right. Anyway, I am going to share here. Okay. Right, guys. Have a nice time. Sure, sure. Okay.